The shirt is in the drawer. The shirt is in the drawer. The book is on the desk. The book is on the desk. The boy is behind the tree. The boy is behind the tree. The ball is under the sofa. The ball is under the sofa. I am in front of the board.
Yay!
I am in front of the board. The boy is between the flowers.
The boy.
The boy is between the flowers. She is next to the fridge. She is next to the fridge.
The boy is near the swing. The boy is near the swing.
The lamp is above the table.
The
lamp is above the table. The fish is inside the bowl.
The
fish is inside the bowl.